In this video, I'll show you how to download a YouTube video thumbnail image from any YouTube video. First, go to any YouTube video and copy the video ID. This is the part of the URL that comes after the equals sign. Copy it and keep it handy in a notepad. You'll need it to replace a portion of a specific URL which I have in the description of this video. Once you have the ID, paste it into the designated part of the URL, replacing the word AD here. Open a new tab, paste the modified URL, and hit enter. You'll see the thumbnail image. Right-click the image and select Save Image As to download it. This method is helpful if you've forgotten login information to access an account, or if you've lost a thumbnail and want to recover it. You can also use this to gather design inspiration for creating new thumbnails. Just remember that these thumbnails belong to others, so use them responsibly. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and like the video, and I'll see you in my next video.